Here's everyone, your boy Death Pilot here. And a couple of videos ago, remember I told you guys we get into the mycology and going to become a rookie, or I should say a beginner, whichever one you want to call it. And because you know I do breeding, so we're going to get into the tissue culture and everything with the mushrooms and everything. As you guys can see, we got 3 packs of whole grain brown Uncle Ben's rice. We're going to use one method of the Uncle Ben's method, and as you guys can see, these 2 boxes right here. Big shout out to North Spore. Bam, 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 bam. Yes, sir. North Spore. This is their 2 boxes of green. So with the injection port and everything on there, guys. So we're going to be inject 2 of these, also the 3 of those, and like I said, we also are doing liquid culture. So we're going to inject the syringe into the liquid to make more of the culture, the liquid culture mushrooms. The spray bottle back there, that's for spraying these little custom made. Now with these right here, guys, you can go Family Dollar, Home Depot, and get these little Sterilite little tubs. And basically what I did, just went and got 2, put some tape around the bottom of it, and just hit F the tape and just spray paint the bottom of it. So once you get ready to start to do your mushrooms, it'll stop them from side pinning, from pinning out to the side, from where the light will penetrate through the side down there, and they'll start to pinning out once you start to go into fruiting. But again, it's going to be a while till we get to that stage right there. Reason being is because we got to inoculate these bags of whole grain rice, and we're going to inoculate one of these bags. And these right here are supposed to be the good stuff right here, the all-in-one, if I'm not mistaken, or these are the grain bags. And I do apologize, guys, trying to take this out with one hand. So yeah, these are the grain bags right here. As you can see, already ready to go with the injection port right there on the front. Just inject it with the needle. It comes with a cotton swab down in the bottom of the fucking box. So yeah, we're gonna do, like I say, the green, and we're doing the rice method, Uncle Ben's rice method. So let's set these off to the side. Once we get everything inoculated, we end up using those. And the mushrooms that we're using are manure type mushrooms. And what that means, looky there, we got 2 deals of manure mixture. The substrate, yes ma'am, yes ma'am. Looky there. Those are some big, nice fucking bags of stuff. And after a while, substrate, we're going to end up making our own out of vermiculite, cocoa core, and gypsum. Gypsum and vermiculite is optional. You don't have to, but it just helps them grow and helps them take off. And as you guys can see right here, over here, we got in on one of those buy one get one free. You got the golden oysters. In here, this is from the Lapite Chape. And yeah, they got sales going on right now. So you buy one, get one free. And these are the blue and those are the golden. So let's move all this stuff to the side right here. Show y'all what's in this big box right here. Big shout out to North Spore, North Spore, North Spore. This right here, guys. I apologize. This is the North Spore all-in-one automated bin. This is the automated bin. Yes, sir. It comes with the humidifier, the bin, the filters that goes around it, and everything, ladies and gentlemen. Yeah. So for packs like this that's ready to go, I can just go ahead and put my filters on, attach the fan on the side right there, put this thing in automation, and let it go. We can start growing mushrooms. But like I said, I'm going to do the inoculation period to where I'm going to be inoculating my mushrooms. So that's probably the fan. There goes the master controller to control the humidity and everything in this little box right here. It's almost kind of like the they got one called the Martha box. I think that's what it's called. The Martha tent is what it's called. And you can basically get that, but you see how the bottom tote, guys, is completely black. And that's kind of what I did to with those right there. Just painted the bottom side of it black. Could have just painted the whole bottom tub black and left it alone. But yeah, as you guys can see, there she goes. Got the little lid connector right there. But yeah, that's basically it right there, ladies and gentlemen. The automated mono tub, all in one, from North Spore. So again, once we get ready to get everything going, I'm just waiting on the liquid culture to get here so we can start our tissue culture. And we're off to the races. And I'm going to have to spray all this down, sterilize it with 70% isopropyl alcohol. So, and we will be ready to go. But if you guys want to check it out, go check out. This is the Boomer Bin, North Spore, the automatic version of it. The automatic, baby. And the fan connects on to right chair, and you can put the hose over here on this side, or whatever side you want to connect that hose to, buddy. You can put it on there. Yes, sir. So, thanks for watching. Know it's a long video. Let's go.